Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow lamination, obviously on my eyebrows. As you can see, like, they're really grown in. I haven't got them waxed in a long time. So I bought this eyelash lift kit off of Amazon and we're just really going to see how it goes. Alright, so for the actual eyebrow perming, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I did say I got something off of Amazon. It's the Icon Sign Lash Lift Kit. I read the reviews for it. It said it's a pretty decent kit, so we'll take it out to the test. The only negative I heard about it is that the directions are really bad. However, these are it says on the packaging this is an upgraded version, so maybe the directions changed and maybe it's upgraded because the directions are better. So let's open it. I opened it as soon as I got it off of Amazon, I'm not gonna lie, but the only thing I tested and looked at was the lash lift tools. So it comes with spoolies and these little, looks like little cotton rounds. They're pink, so they're cute, but it's like this right here. It's really tiny. I guess to really get in between those lashes, or maybe this is to clean. I don't know. I have no idea what this is for, but they're cute. It comes with eye pads. I guess this is for when you're actually doing your lashes. It comes with, that's what the inside looks like, by the way, but it comes with lash glue, and then it comes with the perming solution. So this is perm, fix, nutrition, and cleanser. Cleaning tools and lift pads. So right off the bat, it says to use the cleanser to clean off all the oil, dust, and makeup residue. So the cleanser step 4, and I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to use. And then it says clean tool. Okay, so I just opened what just said clean tool and these things popped up. They're like little combs, they look like, almost like these shaped combs. This is kind of weird. I don't think I'm supposed to use that to clean my eyeball though. So I have micellar water. I'm just gonna hit my eyebrows with this, take off any oils that I have, and anything like that. I actually don't get what these are for though. All right, I brought you guys extremely close. I just finished cleansing my eyebrows. The only thing I don't know is if I should shape them after or before I perm them. I think I'm going to shape them after I perm them, just so I can have the most amount of hair while I perm, if that makes sense. So the second step says to use the glue, the eyelash glue, and stick your hair up. So let's go do that. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna brush the eyebrow hair up, and let's start. I don't know how their eyelash glue works, but eyelash glue be, first of all, do you see this pimple? Are you kidding? Are you joking? So I'm gonna apply it to the front first. I honestly don't like how this feels. Just do upward strokes like this. Okay, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared. I'm shook. Okay. Okay. All right. I need a small mirror. I need a small mirror. I'm gonna freak out. I need a small mirror. Okay, so I found a mirror. We're not freaking out anymore. We're gonna go in and finish his eyebrow off. I'm gonna continue on doing it sections by sections because this part that I already did already set. It's not moving. It's not going anywhere. Ew, did I stutter? Why is his hair so much shorter than this hair though? You know what? I think that's why this is my good brow. Okay, so I'm done with step one. Honestly, I look like a Disney villain. I look nuts. It took me a while to get, like, I wish this was a little bit more down right here, but it's not looking like it's gonna happen. But I'm pretty okay with the results. I'm not mad. I'm not sad. I definitely would say if you're gonna do this at home, you see it like sticking, work in small increments. This lash glue dries extremely dry. So extremely dry, what? Extremely fast. So it does help if you go really, really slow. Really, 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 really slow. So I'm going back to the box. Step 3 says that I'm going to now take the #1 perm potion and I'm going to apply this all over my eyebrows and leave them on for about 8 to 12 minutes and cover them with plastic film. So I'll show you guys how I do that. Okay, so now officially I pre-cut my saran wrap and I'm just gonna dip my spoolie into the perm potion lotion, the perm thing, and I'm just gonna rub them on my eyebrows. So the spoolie fits pretty nice. It looks like this, coated. I'm gonna get my mirror and I'm gonna just go at it. Okay, so I put a pretty generous amount on my eyebrows. It tingles the slightest bit, but I think that's just personally because I have very sensitive skin. I'm gonna put this on my eyebrows, and if I thought I looked crazy before, I look even crazier now. It says to leave it on for 8 to 12 minutes, but I'm only gonna leave it on for 5 minutes and then check back on it because burning my eyebrows is probably my worst fear. So I'll be back at 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes has passed, and honestly, like, I genuinely thought that my eyebrows came off on that. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna lie. They're tingling and they're red. My skin is on the sensitive side, so I'm just gonna say that that's enough for my eyebrows and just take off the perming solution. Yeah, as you can tell, the surrounding skin of my eyebrows is really red. So we don't like that. The tingling, I'll say though, it wasn't unbearable. It was just like you definitely felt that something was on your skin. So now I'm going to grab a new spoolie and I'm going to just dip it in the fixation bottle. And I'm going to apply it all over my eyebrows. I keep wanting to say eyelashes because the directions say eyelashes on them, but these are definitely eyebrows. Thick eyebrows. Okay, so that's it with that lotion on. And then I'm just going to put the saran wrap on and leave it for another 5 minutes. See you then. Okay, so it's been about, I want to say 6 minutes that I left this on. This one didn't burn at all. It actually made it feel a little bit better. Now I'm just going to rub this off and I'm just going to use a Q-tip to take it off. I can already tell that I'm going to break out from it though because my skin is super irritated around it. Now it says to apply the nutrition lotion and leave it on with, apply it with like cotton pads and leave it on for a good amount of time, for 5 minutes too. So we'll do that. It says to apply with cotton pads and leave the cotton pads on. So I'm just going to go in. I don't want to put too much, so I'm just going to put it in like a line. I'm going to go in. Oh, she got on the hair. But yeah, this feels nice. Okay, I'm gonna just kind of like an eye patch. Heck no. I mean, honestly, it feels really nice and oily. And I'm just gonna put this one on this one. Okay, and I'm gonna sit like this for 5 minutes and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Oh. Well, let's rub that excess off. I keep checking to see if like eyebrow hairs are falling off because like worst fear. All right, so the last and final step is to take the cleanser and cleanse the rest of your like eyebrows off. This one looks a little crazy because like it's still super sticky, even after the oil of just like the lash glue. The lash glue is really sticky. They're still like sticky. Okay, and this is what they look like after being permed. My skin is still a little sensitive, and I thought that they were gonna be like hard in a sense, but they're not. Eyebrow hair feels pretty okay. Like it doesn't feel any different than it did before, so I guess that's good. I guess I didn't burn them, crisp them up. I feel like I still have a little bit of glue left, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish taking off all the glues, and I'm just going to speed you guys through while I kind of wax them, shape them and all that, and then we'll see the end result. Okay, now I just finished cleaning them up. I waxed them a little bit and I tweezed them a whole lot more. And honestly, I like them. Do I love them? No. Do I like them? Yes. As you can see, like all the hairs are standing up and they're still really red. The skin under is a little sensitive, and I think that I'll really like them, especially when I fill them in and highlight them. Right now, this is them without makeup, and they look thicker, and I think that's something that I do like. So I'm content. I'm happy. Honestly, I think if I would have spent like the 200 or 150 or however much it is to like get these, I think, and I would have left with these, honestly, I think I would have been a little upset just because like the difference really isn't that big for you to pay that much money. I think if you had thinner eyebrows or if you had like lighter eyebrows and maybe you tinted it with it, then maybe it might be worth it just because it would seem like your eyebrows are thicker. But for my eyebrows, my shape, my tone, like all that, I think that they look really cute and I think that they look nice and I think that they'll help with like my everyday makeup look. But I definitely don't think I would have spent like 150, 250, whatever the price is, and just been like super content with them. So I'll definitely be doing this again on myself. I'm very happy I didn't burn my eyebrows off. And yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any video ideas, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you. And action. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing, drum roll please. All right, I need a small mirror. I'm gonna freak out. I need a small mirror. Because if I don't have a small mirror, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up. And I'm gonna die. Oh my god, is this setting? Oh my god, it dried. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, actually, besides the fact that my eyebrow hair is long as hell, this isn't that bad. Okay. Okay. We're gonna take a quick pause and find myself a mirror. Hey, quick side note. Got like a tin. Stop drinking from bottles. A little help goes a long way for the environment, guys. So I know this looks crazy, but what I'm picturing is I wax off all of this, right? And I cut this, and I cut this, and I'm just trying to talk myself into this because this does not look good. It doesn't look good. Yo, this eyebrow's hair is so long. Wait a minute. Pause. Wait. What am I doing to myself?
No, but you're gonna do what
Why am I posting this on the internet? I look so crazy. Oh, I look freaking nuts. Oh my god. Ay Dios. Oh my god. I literally look like a villain out of a Disney movie.
Like, blah, blah, blah.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Maybe this.
There goes my lighting.